Oh, you want me to get up? You want me to get up? At least you're not like that other dog who pounds people. Oh, okay. Oh, you're gonna get mad now? Yeah. You're not gonna be as gentle as you were before. Okay. I'm gonna go back to sleep.
Say, Mom, it's time for you to get up.
Time to get up.
Everybody else is up.
You wanna go eat?
Party
Okay.
time.
You want a bagel?
With cream cheese.
Maybe. No. So cute. What? You're being very patient. Okay. Oh. Okay. I don't like to play the bite game with you. Are you gonna bite me? Yeah, that's what I thought. You're so gentle. Give me a little nibbles. Okay, let's go. Let's go.